When you're posting job ads and you're writing in the compensation, one of the things that drives candidates crazy is when you're either too vague or you don't even mention anything about the compensation and you just put like competitive wages. Be as detailed as possible. Be upfront. Be real. List exactly what you're offering, and you can put a range. You can always put a range, but be upfront because people are going to apply to ads that are transparent and honest and give detail. And if you hide and hold detail, it doesn't mean that you're going to get more applicants. The reason that you don't put pay in your ad is because your pay is crap. So make sure that you list the details of the compensation. And if there's bonuses or commissions, detail them out, or at least put some ranges, at least some percentages of something. Give examples of what that compensation can look like. Don't be vague, and don't be that employer that doesn't say anything about the compensation in the ad.